Get ready for the future of flight! These unique flying machines are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the air. From personal flying cars to advanced drones, these machines offer a glimpse into the future of transportation and exploration. Designed for efficiency, speed, and sustainability, these machines are revolutionizing the way we think about flight. Introducing CopterPack, the future of personal flight. This electric backpack helicopter lets you take to the skies like never before. Powered by electric rotors, CopterPack is lightweight, easy to control, and designed for adventure. Imagine flying over landscapes, commuting, or exploring from a whole new perspective. With its sleek design and innovative technology, CopterPack is taking flight to the next level. Ready to ride the skies? Meet the Hoverbike Scorpion S3, an extraordinary flying machine that combines speed, agility, and the thrill of flight. Designed for adventure, the Scorpion S3 is lightweight, fast, and can hover in place or cruise at impressive speeds. Whether you're racing through the skies or navigating tight spaces, this hoverbike handles it all. With advanced controls and cutting-edge tech, it's a ride like no other. The future of personal flight is here! Ever dreamed of flying? Meet the Lift Aircraft HEXA, a single-seat electric aircraft that's making personal flight a reality. Powered by 18 independent electric motors, HEXA is lightweight, stable, and easy to control. It's designed for everyday people, no pilot's license required. With intuitive controls and flight assistance, you can fly over land or water with ease. It's the future of accessible, sustainable personal aviation. Introducing the Kitty Hawk Heaviside, an electric aircraft that's revolutionizing personal flight. Designed for efficiency and ease, it's the future of urban transportation. With a unique design featuring a quiet flight technology, the Heaviside promises a smooth, noise-reduced experience, making it perfect for city commuting. With a range of up to 100 miles and speeds of 110 miles per hour, you can travel farther and faster than ever before, all while being environmentally friendly. Ever dreamed of flying like Iron Man? Meet the Gravity Jet Suit, a groundbreaking invention that turns your dreams into reality. Equipped with multiple jet engines on the arms and back, this suit allows you to take off, hover, and maneuver with incredible agility. Designed for adventure, the Gravity Jet Suit offers a unique flying experience. Whether you're racing through the air or simply enjoying the view, the thrill is unmatched. Introducing Jetman, an incredible fusion of human ingenuity and technology. With the Jetwing, flying like a bird is no longer just a dream. Engineered for performance, the Jetwing features advanced jet propulsion, allowing pilots to reach speeds of over 100 miles per hour and altitudes of up to 10,000 feet. Whether gliding through clouds or executing breathtaking maneuvers, the Jetwing offers a one-of-a-kind flying experience that pushes the limits of human flight. The Jetman experience is not just about speed, it's about the sheer joy of flight. This revolutionary suit empowers pilots to experience the freedom of flying like never before. Behind every flight is a dedicated team of engineers and innovators working tirelessly to make this dream a reality. Safety and precision are paramount in every launch. Listen to the voices of those who've taken to the skies. Each flight is a testament to human courage and creativity, breaking barriers and redefining what's possible. Ready to witness more groundbreaking advancements in aviation? Subscribe now and stay tuned for the latest in the world of flight innovation.